Are you planning on building a deck for your home and wondering if you should use a helical pile? Have you ever wondered, how are those things installed? How long does it take? How much is this going to cost? If you have, you'll want to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Lana, Technical Specialist at GoliathTech. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels for more interesting tips and tidbits. If you're planning on adding a new deck to your home or revamping your old one, you'll definitely want to consider a GoliathTech helical pile instead of a concrete pier or deck block. GoliathTech helical piles are installed by a certified installer using a small excavator that on one hand has the power you need to screw them in tightly, all the while being small enough to squeeze through the gate to access the backyard. The helical pile requires no digging as it's screwed into the ground with a hydraulic motor and leaves no mess for you to worry about when we're gone, because nobody likes a messy backyard. The piles take about 10 minutes each to install, so all depending on how big your deck is and how many piles we need will depend on the total time we need to be there. But we're usually gone within a few hours, and unlike concrete piers that need some time to cure, your deck builder can start working immediately. GoliathTech helical piles are also extremely price competitive compared to concrete piers, especially when you look at the time savings, because time is money. But what about deck blocks, you ask? Aren't they less expensive? The answer is yes, at first. The difference with the GoliathTech helical pile is that we go below the frost line to prevent heaving or sinking, and our installers ensure that each pile can take the weight of the roof, kitchen island barbecue, or spa you're planning on adding, something the other foundations just can't. So by using a GoliathTech helical pile, you're also saving yourself extra cost of repairs you would likely have in the future. My dad always said, if you're going to do it right the first time. So if you're thinking of a new deck or adding onto your old one, think of us. We'd love to help. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.